Hello. Okay, so we left off. I've added some role things so that we can. I've added role management since last stream. And it works, so that's cool. We can't change the other one role name or the color. Yep, that's cool. And I've added the ability to delete roles, not the everyone role. This one. There we go. So we can spam create lizard roles if we wanted to. And then spam delete them. I think this is pretty cool compared to the Accord one. So, yeah. Oh, you may notice all the icons are gone. That's funny. So I just thought that was funny that all the icons are just missing on Ubuntu. So hi, which OS do you use? Ubuntu, but it's ran into a UI bug at the minute, which is quite funny. So yeah. So that's what I've done since the last stream, and I've added like a few checks. So I've added some manager permission checks, so we can only invite people in this guild, but in this guild we can do everything because we're the owner. Now, we have got a list of things to do. It's not substantial, but you'll notice that the username is our random colors. The member list is just one big, like, group. Yeah, so we need to actually list these into, separate these, should I say, into proper roles. Let me show you the list. So we've got rest error message snack bars, which are basically and these are, they're just errors basically. Oh, let me add another one. So developer mode, yeah. Config user settings tab. Should we add developer mode? So show IDs on context menus. So when we click this, we get the ID. It's pretty cool. It's what the user settings looks like. Yeah. Cool. Just ignore the chat. I was just putting random things in here. Okay, so that's cool. Now, yeah, I think this is the best part of the application so far. It took the longest. This took me 2 days to get this working correctly. Like 4 to 8 hours, I'd say. Not 48 hours. Be a bit sad, wouldn't it? Okay, so this is what's going on. So we've got guild settings roles. We've got guild permissions. So roles are completely done, apart from adding and removing them from users or members. So here's the guild settings roles. So we have to show these roles upside down. We have to reverse them so they go from bottom to top. Pretty much. Actually, that's not a good idea. Let's filter. Let's filter R. Sort by position. And then we'll have a by position here. So sort is do you remember me? Yes, I very well remember you, Alex. And curl. Hi, Renz. How do you code men? I don't code humans, but not yet, anyway. What do you mean by that? I don't know what you mean by that. Array sort. Okay, so we got first and second, A and B. So we're gonna sort these by role.position. Now I should have made this. Guild.update one. Okay. Oh, push roles. Now this is wrong. We don't need that. So when we create a role, roles, we need to put the position. So the position would be the position. Now we definitely need a position. I was using the array position, which is kind of dumb. Discord actually use a number for this. So position will be await role dot count documents. Let me fix caps. There we go. So count documents. So we count all the roles in the guild. And that just sets the default position, basically. Well, that's when we create one anyway. Return await role.create. We don't even need await. So this just sets the position as how many documents. Okay, this can how do I get rid of that? Okay. Sometimes it can get a bit annoying. And now it's gone. Oh. That did something. Right. Okay, so when we update a role, we actually need to give the role. We need to give the role a position. Okay. I'm actually not going to implement the position. I'm just going to put it as a to-do. Because we haven't added that yet. But they all have a position anyway. And then when we actually delete a role, to do update other role positions. Okay, so by position role, I suppose the position works, but it can't be changed. A, B, so A dot position is less than B dot position. See what happens. we're gonna have to create a new guild because it's not gonna work. Which Chrome are you using? Google Chrome. Hi Devil Firefox. Okay, so we're going to create another guild. Now, in here, leave that guild. Have the roles sorted correctly, so we've got one here. Oh, we created a new role. Let's look at the positions. Okay, they should start from 0, which is good. So everyone should be 0, and this should be 1. We could do with the React Inspector, to be honest. Oh, we'll just use Redux for now. There's no position on it. Weird. We should get a position, but we're not getting a position. We're not getting position on it, which is weird. Okay, so oh, maybe that's because in role we haven't added it to a document. Okay, that's what has happened. So default, yeah, we don't need that. So it's a number required, true, position is required, and then okay, so position 0 false, expect position is too low, must be greater than 0, greater than 1, 0 or greater. And then we name this position. So validators.range, can we do that? Oh, min. So the min is gonna be 0. And then we just copy this error message wherever we put it. Yeah. Cool. What's this error? How's your desktop so clean and stable? It's Ubuntu, and here's the details. Thank you, whoever suggested this. I think it was Alex, but I'm not sure. There you go, that's all you need to know about the desktop. What is your age? 18. Oh, that's a lot of brackets there. Okay, so let's do something meaningful now. So we don't care much about the role position, we just want to receive it. And once we receive it, we should be fine. So now when we create it, you'll see, hopefully, it says position 3, which is good. However, these other roles do not have positions because it was not in the Mongoose model. So let's try again. TG1, test guild 1. Okay, so now hopefully, if we've done everything correctly, the roles should be okay. The roles didn't clean up from when we left the guild, but this one is position 0. We create another one. We've got another one here and position 1. Cool. I think positions can be like, yeah, there might be position conflicts with our current setup, but that's fine. Because we don't care about position at the minute. Let's just put it like that. We just put it there, so now that we can do some epic things. So what should we start with? I'm going to start with the member list role separation. That's what we're going to start with. So okay, let's do this. So member list role separation. Now separate members. So there's going to be online / offline. So if no hoisted roles, exclude everyone. Online, offline. If hoisted roles, member has hoisted role, on role name, they're just online if I don't have it. So I think this is how we did it last time with Accord. I didn't stream it, this is one of the last features I added from the UI. If not the last feature. Until we started again. Oh, we started from like a new foundation. Hi Indian Biryani. When will your Discord be fully ready and free for everyone? When I'm satisfied with the features that we've added, I think we've added quite a lot of features so far. So It's not too far away, but I'm not going to use my Raspberry Pi to host it because it's extremely unreliable. I can't really get it in a good, because I'm always changing location. It's very hard to keep it online. So I'm probably going to use cloud hosting again, but cheaper for now. That was slightly unrelated, but that's how I'm going to host it. Now, when will it be available? I don't know exactly when, but it's almost ready. We've got like... we've got like a big list of things to add though. I'd like to get the main features done, including voice channels. Probably before we do that. Okay. So pretty much every feature the old UI had, and voice channels as well. Themes, and probably, maybe we'll add bots later. But voice channels and themes. There's some big features that we need to add before that, but yeah. Okay, member list. So we're gonna get the roles. And then we type in the guild ID. Cool. And in here, oh yeah, also DM guilds. We're either going to add DM guilds or we're going to add the classic DM channels, but leaning towards DM guilds at the minute. I think the old... yeah. I think I'd rather do that differently to Discord. Which cursor do you use? Just the default one that comes with Ubuntu, I think. For some reason, people were complaining when I was doing this in a tutorial. It was really annoying someone. It's quite funny. So I just stopped doing that because this cursor's happens to be very distracting. I kind of like the black one, to be fair, compared to Windows. I don't know. We're gonna have online members. I'm gonna filter online. Okay, so we're gonna make some methods. User has role and get by status. Get by role. So, yep. I'll stop speaking, by the way. You can listen to my keyboard. There we go. I think that's the main attraction, really. I don't know. It's not that special. It's not a good It's very loud and annoying. Oh. Hopefully that's not too annoying. Okay. Oh. It's not that bad, to be honest. Okay, so we're going to find the user here. Okay, no. There we go. Do you live alone? No. Why? It's some very interesting questions. Okay, so we're gonna add a hoisted thing to Guild Wars. So let's do that. So where do we add that? So I think it's when we reload this. Nope. Members. Let's do online members. What? Yeah, that'll do for now. Nope. User ID. Oh no. Okay. Right. If user ID. Okay, that was kind of dumb code right there. No, that code doesn't work. I don't know what I was trying to do there. Not entirely sure. So user. Right. That must be defined. Oh yeah. Just gonna put any here. Don't know what you mean by clean and fast, but if you wanna, if you mean like this, or with working icons, then you can just install Ubuntu. There's many tutorials to do that, but yeah. Hold on a second. My keyboard is not working. Oh. Just gonna do that. And then we're gonna do user ID. U.ID. Like that. See if that fixes it. 56. Ah, okay. Damn. Okay. Online members.map. So we're mapping them. Now. Oh yeah, we were adding hoisted. Let's. Okay, sorry about that. Forgot. Okay. ADAMJR.exe has stopped responding. Please see the administrator. Okay, so we're gonna make a... We're not gonna put it here, but we're gonna put it somewhere else. Now we're gonna do this. Now we're gonna register a... an ID. Checked. Nope. Hoisted. Let's see. And we're going to set that to hoisted. Hi. Okay. There we go. There's something. Oh, it doesn't reset there. I think we need to set a... Oh, so we need to set a, like, custom state thing for it. Otherwise it's not gonna work. Yeah. Perms. No, we're just going to use hoisted. Hoisted means it's separated from other roles. If you've seen that in Discord, where some roles are above others, that's hoisted, really, in the member list. So we need this to reload when hoisted is actually changed. That's the thing. So that on change, set hoisted, toggle. No. There we go. Oh, the time is 9. Wow. 9. Whatever that means. So... Oh. I don't think that worked. Okay. On save, that's what we need. Nope. Okay. Boom. Okay, so let's put a label there now. So we got general permissions. Not that. Oh. Okay, so we're gonna need set. What is this? Set hoisted when we. Do we need that? No, we don't. Hi 10x, high innovation. Thank you. But yeah, I'm back now. For now, anyway. Okay, so we need a hoisted permission thing here, so let's up that. Now I'm gonna add a category. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Is that actually changing anything? Nope. What? Interesting. No. For some reason, that's the combination that we use. The time is 8. I don't know why. 30th of August, 2021, 8. That's the time, if anyone asked. Okay, so let's add this role thing. Just gonna say message. So member list. So if my voice is very quiet, I've got the correct keyboard set up here. I guess it's not a speaking stream. There we go. Yes, I'm gonna speak less this stream, basically. So, online members. So this is what we're going to do. So we're going to have an object. So I need to plan this. I have an object called nav online. It's going to be user. Yep. Cool. So we're going to do this very badly, and then we're going to refactor it properly. Right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this. It's kind of redundant because we can simplify it in the method. Instead, I'm going to get guild users, which is already a thing. Like this. I guess that kind of works. does not equal, no, equals offline. There we go. At what point are you going to focus on scalability and security? Security, I think we're gonna add like might add end-to-end encryption. And we might add off. Well, we're gonna add like some advanced off features. We already had this last time, MFA. And scalability. I'm not sure what you mean by that. How you got this name? What do you mean? Like, how did I come up with it? Okay. User list. What is it? It's a filter. Next. Oh, my keyboard. Interesting. S-I-A. That's a filter method right there. Now we can do this. So u dot oh. Oh, this is a prop, isn't it? Okay. numbers in there, letters. Nope. Right. Oh, that's... I guess we can call it filter, because it makes more sense. And then call it by here. There we go, we've got online there. 1K active users at any given time. I really don't anticipate that. But yeah, I don't anticipate that, but I anticipate like 10 users, to be honest. And then, yeah, my expectations are very low. You can also use Redis, but yeah, if it ever happened to reach very high numbers, then what I'd do is I'd optimize, like, I'd focus on optimizing the API rather than the UI. So for example, in Guild Create, here's a classic problem that we have. Name. Yeah. So I'd have to use, I'll have to like refactor this so that, and little micro optimizations so it takes less milliseconds, and I do things like this to lower the stress on the API. So I'd find a way to do this promise to all at the same time across the application, and I'd do these optimizations really. I'd probably use something more professional when hosting with Node.js. I'd probably look into Docker. I know literally nothing about Docker, so I'd look into that. And more advanced, more reliable ways of hosting. But yeah, I probably might be cloud-based still. You should stress test some basic features before adding new ones. That is correct. We basically have like tested it somewhat. User not logged in, okay. Yeah, we've tested it like random things like this. They're not really tests though. We have API tests which will be fully implemented later. I haven't edited them, I haven't fixed them yet, but they used to work, and they used to all pass, and there's like hundreds of them. Security, probably use end-to-end in at some point in the future as a major feature. And then we need to add accounts, basic multi-factor authentication, which we've already implemented in auth-routes. We've got the register, verify code, verify email, change password. We've done that, but we need to do it again in the UI because we've switched it. But yeah, switch into a relational. Nope. Yeah. My experience with relational databases wasn't positive. Let me show you the code. Was that Mongoose? Yeah, that was Mongoose. Yeah, I shouldn't show you the banned words, because that will get me demonetized. That would, it's not even monetized, it would get me banned somehow. But I had a text file with loads of bad words in it for auto mod. What have we got? Struggling to find it. Okay, this is with Mongoose. Mongoose was a huge, like, improvement. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. No, it's not showing up here. Word. SQL, no. I didn't even know what SQL was back here. Oh, I did. Okay. Right? No, I didn't. Okay. Don't think I did anyway. Well, I didn't know how to use it really. Yeah, it's probably hidden there. It's not actually on there. But the code was really, really bad. Maybe you didn't do it correctly. Yeah, I didn't do it correctly. Yeah, with JS, it's probably going to be very smooth. Sorry. It's probably going to be very smooth with if you're using a relational database with JavaScript. And yeah, I didn't do it properly. I did a very bad job of it. Wait, hold on. If it's like using Mongoose, that's what I'm thinking of as smooth. If it's like SQL, then nah, no chance. I think Discord used relational. But I've always preferred like non-relational. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, my keyboard keeps freezing for some reason. I don't know why. Keeps randomly doing that. Okay, so let's use state. Now, I know we're using state. Use store. Don't get state. It's not the best way of doing it, so members equals use selector. I thought of a better way of doing things actually. It's going to need the guild members as well. Yeah, I don't do that. Formatting. Okay, what for? Return member. Member has role. Hold on a second. There we go. What if I do this? Okay, so we got a guild ID, and then we got a user ID. That's member. And then we put in the members. So they only have the everyone rule. That will work. Can you make a WordPress clone? WordPress was made with PHP, and I'm not a fan of PHP, so we'll just do the Discord clone for now. Too many clones. Use Trello. What's Trello? Trello. Okay. I mean, it would be useful if we had a team, but Notepad is for Jedit is for a team of 1, so it looks like it would be useful from what I can see. So yeah. Cannot find namespace store. Try and reload window, and if it's still there, then so Control Shift P and then reload window. It shouldn't be still there after that. Kind of redundant. love Trello, you should use it. I'll look into it if I remember. Let me just write it down. Trello. When I start, if it should be gone then, because sometimes TypeScript shows an error, and it only appears in the editor sometimes. But if you go into front end and then npm start and you see the error still, then it's like a more severe problem, because React will not let go of it really most of the time until it's fixed. So yeah, VS Code errors, sometimes they're not really synced. React and VS Code kind of have different compilers for this project. I think React uses Babel, and VS Code use, like, I think whatever they use, but it's different, which sometimes there's an error in React and there's no error in VS Code. It's quite annoying, but it happens. Let me show you an example of that, if you really want. If I do this, watch this, and then I use it. There we go. So it will never really work with this, because it's outside the project that I don't know, but there's no error like in VS Code. It's quite annoying, but yeah. Two different compilers. Everyone, that's what it's called. Okay. So we should hoisted roles. Everyone is not a hoisted role. Okay. Oh. Hold on. Zero. Okay, so There appears to be no users being displayed. Which is quite weird. Oh, it says we have one role. I think we actually have how many roles? One. Let's see. Okay. I want to check how many role IDs I have. Huh? I forgot. I'm not entirely. What is going on? Not sure what's going on here. Why have you got 3 roles and one that says underscore ID? Now that is a bit strange. My keyboard, what is it doing? Interesting. Okay, so it gives us 2 roles when we create a user. I'm going to use promise.all here. Right. So we got nothing here, so const nothing message. Nothing. That's my PC beeping, by the way. Oh. Yeah, it takes TypeScript a while to actually load for some reason in this backend. It's still happening. Have you tried opening this file right here, store file? And if you open this file and then, because ambient types are weird, if you open that file and then reopen the file, close and reopen the file that has the error, it might work. Okay. Okay. Now, why was that joining twice in members? Okay. Could have been this. Bot. Authorize bot ID. This is from the bot API that we haven't added yet. Okay. Oh, we've added the bot backend actually. We need to add the front end for it to work. So technically the bot API exists. You could literally add a bot to a... I guess you could add a bot to a server if you wanted to. We just haven't added it on the UI. Could probably make a fully working bot. Yeah. With code. But there's no like API wrapper for it at the minute. Ah. Okay. Now let's get rid of that then. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of this extra thing here. cool. You know what's dumb about this? Okay, let's refactor this with promise.all. A little optimization. So we're gonna have a guild ID. And then we're gonna await promise.all. Yep, we'll do that. Promise.all. We'll have roles create. Create, yeah. We'll have create text. And so these are all done in 4 times less time, if I'm not mistaken. So this is 4 times as quick as the other code that we just had. I think we did the maths the other time and it did save last week we did like a performance test and it was a lot faster, essentially. I use Google Balance. How did you get the money? Did you get the... Are you there? Markdown X released. Oh, hello Owen. Hello Thomas. Hello denied. Try and log out of Accord and it came with an error. Yeah, there are a few errors here and there. Some of them I fixed and then broke, and then haven't realized I've broken them. Markdown X. What is it? Markdown X. Is this Markdown X? Oh, no, it's not Markdown X. You are doing great. I did a super chat. It went on my... Refunded. Did you get the money? I don't know how. Purchase transaction failed. What? If it didn't show up in chat, it probably failed. I don't see any super chat, and I don't. I think it takes 2 days to update. Yeah. Because, yeah, sometimes when it fails, it just, nothing happens really. It just says transaction failed. If you create an everyone role, then you can't delete it. That is correct. You could make a blacklisted of certain at here, etc. That is a good idea. Yes. I think I've already added that. Let's see if I've added that. Validate. If I haven't added that, then well done. What? Okay, I need to... I need to make another validator. Thank you, Owen. Yeah, I did make a pattern for that, so here it is. Validators.pattern. And then oh, there should be a role in here actually. Okay, well I haven't come up with that idea then. Oh, it's only in username. I didn't put it in role, but thank you. Let's save that. So cannot invalid name contains invalid characters. This name is not allowed. And then role test. Basically, if I have a name of @everyone, expect true. If I have a name of @here, expect invalid name format. Name not allowed. I might do an @someone in the future, so it just mentions a random person. That might be useful for giveaways or something. That's if we add mentions. Mention someone in the... Now mentions should only work. Mentions only work. Mention someone in the member list. No, in the field. Yeah. Random member and view the channel. There we go. Mention some. It's quite obvious. Okay. So optional pattern role. Let's add a pattern. So we're going to use regex 101, and we're going to have something like this. We don't validate passwords at the minute. Right. Keyboard keeps dying this stream. It's very weird. I think my Ubuntu is a bit cursed this stream. Weird things keep happening. The icons are gone. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so with roles, they can not be everyone here, me, someone, and or Discord tag. Get rid of that. Okay. We're gonna have role name. Now, because we're getting in a type error. Oh no. Are we? Okay, no, that's fine. This name contains banned words. Guild ID. Oh, okay. Channel. That's a lot. It shouldn't have just... It went out of my balance. Right. Well, it shouldn't have, but in the case it did, then that's a weird YouTube bug. Yeah, live chat isn't on YouTube, doesn't happen to be... I think Twitch chat is better, to be honest, than YouTube chat. That seems to be more stable in most cases. Yeah, so YouTube chat does have a few bugs. I found at least 2 or 3 bugs with it whilst using it, but I don't know how much was it. Markdown X is a tailwind component, like a markdown perfect record. Instead of can't change, do something like raw already exists instead of can't change. Instead of raw changed, okay. What do you mean? Cannot change everyone role name, but that's if they try and change the everyone role name, like purposely. It was only €1. How much is €1 worth? That's going up. Okay. That would be the highest donation, but that we've had, I think, or the second highest. I'm not sure. I think the highest was $1, like set ages ago. I don't have any donation leaderboard or anything, but maybe I should make one of them. but if I do receive it, thank you, Thomas. I don't know if I'll receive it though. I don't know if YouTube just or Google just deletes money like that. They might do. Or YouTube did not want me to have that. Denied. They denied my bank account. But yeah, I don't think I've ever received anything from Google yet. I think they only pay you when you receive $100. Last time I checked. So yeah, I think I'll receive that in 2 years. If it'll be worth like 90% due to inflation by then, but I don't know. Sending a message with YouTube is blocking it. This role is managed by an integration and cannot have its name changed. It's managed by an integration. I mean, I know you don't like this error message, so I'm going to change it. The everyone role color cannot be changed. That's better. There we go. Could have a certain syntax to be blocked, such as phone numbers or blocked search results. I mean, that's a bit advanced, to be honest. I'm not really gonna filter it. But yeah. Okay, so we're gonna add another feature. We've added a few things. Member list role separation. Oh yeah, we was on that, weren't we? Now, rest error message. Oh, username role color. Let's do that now. We'll get back onto this. I did get a bit distracted. What did we do there? I forgot what we did. Okay, so I'm gonna add message color of the highest role. So you see, let's go member list. Let's just comment this out for now. Okay, so I'm going to export. Let's get the highest role here, so that we can change the color of the username, like Discord. In roles. So we sort by max. By max what? Sort by max position. What? By max, no, we reduce by max, sorry, and then we get the first element. And then by max is position. There we go. And then we use state. Get highest row. Now we also filter r dot guild ID. Oh no, that's the highest role in it. Get member highest role. Oh, that's gonna complicate things. Members state.entities.members. There we go. Roles. I think that should do it. So we have filter, reduce, sending, do you want to see my Skooky project? What's that? Markdown X. What is Markdown X? I have not seen it yet, but it sounds interesting. Okay, so we have this, and I'm just gonna put any here. There we go. Members and roles. Okay. No, that's not gonna work. We also need a guild ID, don't we? Keep forgetting this. So, guild ID, there we go. Cool. Let's have guild ID here. Now, guild ID. Oh, okay. Get member highest role. Did I do that correctly? Yep. Highest role. Oh, use selector. Falling asleep a bit. There we go. So. Oh, there goes my keyboard again. Alright, that should have the white color. That should be white. But for some reason it isn't. Okay, username. That's a username. Otherwise we just have secondary file. Secondary. Still the same. Okay. Hi, Druv. Hi, Thomas. Oh, you're already here. New Cavern. When I copy the code and put it into VS Code, how do I run it so I can see it? Don't copy the code by text. You git clone it, and then type npm cd front end, and then npm start in that folder after you've installed everything. Okay, so the highest role is it defined? Oh, okay. Interesting. There we go. So this by max thing does not work at the minute. PV. What? I know this is not going to work because previous accumulator. Okay, ac and then val. There we go. Same color. And then accumulator is just a number. If I remember correctly. If I don't, I think I've done a boo-boo here. Yeah, no, I haven't. Okay. Oh. Okay. I'm not entirely... Yeah, that worked. What? Okay. Oh. Oh, okay. I understand. Okay. So reduce just... I think reduce just... Just typing random things. Okay. Yeah, so I think reduce... It returns a single element, which is pretty cool. Let's do this with the message as well. Yep. Right. Don't know why I've put users in there. Ah. So, users with access to a channel. Okay, be right back. Two minutes. Okay. Huh? What? Huh? Okay, so what we do, there we go, and then in guild, we're gonna actually, guilds, we're gonna actually remove this. Okay, so that's banned them from a channel by removing perms to view it. The API reloaded. Well, they can't see members for some reason. Okay. What? Oh, that applies to the self user. Okay. Okay. Text-based channel. Infinite loop. No. Hold on, I've messed this up. Okay, so view channels and read messages are completely different. Keep getting a bit confused. Okay, I'm gonna add one feature and then I'm gonna go. So const role equals use selector role get highest role guild ID guild equals use selector guild. Okay. s.ui.build or guild ID There's so many selectors going on. Get member ID member user ID role and then there we go. So we've added highest role color. Cool. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna end it there. So colors, and we'll finish this member list off another time. But there we go. Okay, I need to go now, so thank you for watching, and yeah, so let me push the changes real quick. So, thank you for watching.